Your ultimate guide to success with the Amazon Affiliate Program. Welcome to your comprehensive guide on navigating the Amazon Affiliate Program. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this video will equip you with all the essential knowledge and best practices to maximize your earnings while complying with Amazon's guidelines. What is the Amazon Affiliate Program? The Amazon Affiliate Program, also known as Amazon Associates, is a powerful way for content creators, bloggers, and website owners to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products. It's a straightforward process. You recommend products through unique affiliate links, and when someone makes a purchase via your link, you earn a commission. Benefits of joining the Amazon Affiliate Program. Joining the Amazon Affiliate Program offers numerous advantages. Wide product selection. Amazon boasts a vast array of products across various categories, ensuring there's something for every niche. Trusted brand. As a globally recognized brand, Amazon instills confidence in buyers, making them more likely to purchase products you recommend. Passive income. Once set up, your affiliate links can generate income around the clock, even when you're not actively promoting them. Detailed analytics. Amazon provides robust tracking and reporting tools to monitor your performance, helping you optimize your strategies effectively. Understanding Amazon Affiliate Program rules. To maintain a smooth and ethical affiliate marketing journey with Amazon, it's crucial to understand and adhere to their rules. Disclosure requirements. Always disclose your affiliate relationship clearly to your audience. A simple statement like, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases suffices. Proper use of affiliate links. Avoid cloaking or masking affiliate links, and ensure they are used appropriately only in online contexts. Content guidelines. Your content must align with Amazon standards, avoiding inappropriate or low-quality material. Prohibited activities. Activities like self-purchasing through your own links or cookie stuffing are strictly prohibited. Payment structure and management. Amazon's payment structure is straightforward but requires attention to details. Commission rates. Commission rates vary by product category, ranging from 2% to 5% or more, depending on the item sold. Payment methods. Choose from direct deposit, checks, or Amazon gift cards for receiving your earnings. Payment threshold. You need to reach a minimum earnings threshold before Amazon issues your payment. Best practices for success. While following Amazon's rules is essential, implementing these best practices can significantly enhance your affiliate marketing success. Choose relevant products. Select products relevant to your niche and audience to maximize engagement and conversions. Create quality content. Focus on creating valuable content that educates or entertains your audience, rather than solely focusing on sales. Diversify your platforms. Utilize multiple platforms like blogs, social media, and email newsletters to broaden your reach. Track and optimize. Use Amazon's analytics tools to track performance and adjust your strategies based on data insights. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these common pitfalls to ensure a smooth affiliate marketing journey. Neglecting disclosure. Always disclose your affiliate status to maintain transparency and trust. Overloading with links. Use affiliate links judiciously to enhance rather than detract from your content. Ignoring guidelines. Familiarize yourself with Amazon's guidelines and stay updated to avoid penalties or account termination. FAQs about the Amazon Affiliate Program. Here are answers to some common questions about the Amazon Affiliate Program. How do I sign up? Visit the Amazon Associates homepage, click Join Now for free, and follow the prompts. Approval time. Approval typically takes a few business days, contingent on meeting Amazon's quality standards. Promoting on social media. Yes, you can promote Amazon products on social media, ensuring compliance with both Amazon and platform guidelines. Tools and resources. To excel in the Amazon Affiliate Program, leverage these resources. Product linking tools. Use tools like SiteStripe for effortless link creation and management. Analytics. Monitor your performance with Amazon's reporting tools to refine your strategies. Educational resources. Amazon offers webinars, articles, and case studies to help you stay informed and optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. Conclusion. The Amazon Affiliate Program offers a lucrative opportunity to monetize your passion for recommending products. By following the guidelines and implementing best practices outlined in this guide, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business while maintaining trust and compliance. Ready to start? Dive in today and begin your journey toward earning passive income with Amazon.